Islam is the universal religion and the key to success for every person. It guides the people in every point of life. That is the good character. Good character is very important for the society. That's why Islam emphasizes a lot for the good morals. Therefore Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says that, and when you are greeted with a greeting, so return what is better than that, or return it the same. Indeed, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will calculate everything. And the Prophet, peace be upon him, said that in the hadith, إِنَّمَا بُعِثْتُ لِأُتَمِّمَ مَكَارِمَ الْأَخْلَاقِ. That means I have been sent to complete the good character. My dear brothers and sisters, good character is very important in this world. Nations are known by the character. It brings closeness to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and His servant. We become lovable from it. An enemy becomes friend with it. Whereas bad character distances us from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and His servant. Therefore, narrated Abu Dharr radiyallahu anhu that the Prophet, peace be upon him, said that ittaqillah haythuma kunta wattabi'is sayyi'ata al-hasana tamhuha wa khaliqin nas bi khuluqin hasan. That means fear with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala wherever you are, and good deeds wipe out the bad deeds, and treat the people with good morals. My dear brothers and sisters, spread the love in the society from it. Through it, brotherhood established in the society, and we get peace in the society from it. Therefore, the Prophet, peace be upon him, said that Akmalul Mu'minina Imanan Ahsanuhum Khuluqa. That means the best believers are those who are the best in character. Therefore, it is important for us to improve our morals so that we get success in this world and the hereafter also.